Welcome to Bike Lane Reviews, the channel where we bring you in-depth, honest motorcycle reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883, a bike that's become synonymous with classic cruiser styling and a raw, authentic riding experience. In this video, we'll be covering the bike's design, engine performance, ride quality, technology, and how it stacks up in 2025 compared to its competition. Let's get started. The legacy of the Iron 883. The Harley-Davidson Iron 883 first hit the streets in 2009 as part of Harley's Sportster lineup. Designed to offer a sleek, aggressive look with a simple, no-frills riding experience, it quickly became a fan favorite. Over the years, it's seen incremental updates while retaining its iconic features, like the peanut fuel tank and blackout treatment. For 2025, Harley continues to build on that legacy, making small but meaningful updates to keep the bike relevant in today's competitive cruiser market. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Iron 883 maintains the low-slung, minimalist aesthetic that has defined it for years. The blackout theme remains front and center, with the engine, exhaust, wheels, and even some of the hardware finished in black. It's that tough, no-nonsense look that attracts riders who appreciate simplicity and style. However, Harley has added some fresh touches for the 2025 model. New color options like matte gunmetal gray and deep midnight blue provide a bit more variety for riders who want something beyond the traditional vivid black. The peanut fuel tank is still there, but it now features more defined lines that give it a slightly sharper, more aggressive look. This is a bike that still exudes attitude, but with a modern twist. Another update for 2025 is the redesigned seat, which is now more ergonomic for improved comfort. Whether you're cruising around the city or heading out on longer rides, the seat offers better support, though it still maintains the stripped-back aesthetic. The instrument cluster has also received a slight upgrade. The 2025 model features a digital analog hybrid display that shows essential riding data like speed, fuel level, and gear position. It's a good balance between modern tech and classic style, making sure you stay connected without distracting from the overall experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Iron 883 is the tried-and-true 883 cubic centimeters Evolution V-twin engine. This air-cooled engine has long been a staple of Harley's lineup, known for its reliability and iconic exhaust note. It delivers around 50 horsepower and 54 lb-ft of torque, which makes it an approachable engine for newer riders while still providing plenty of power for the experienced rider. The 2025 model benefits from slight updates to the fuel injection system, which enhances throttle response and overall efficiency. It's not the most powerful engine in its class, but it's perfect for city cruising, short highway trips, and light weekend riding. The engine produces a distinctive sound, with a throaty growl that you'll recognize from a mile away. The 5-speed transmission is smooth and reliable, though some might wish for a 6th gear for highway cruising. Still, the overall setup works well, providing a comfortable and predictable riding experience. With a belt-driven final drive, the bike requires minimal maintenance, which is always a plus for riders who want a hassle-free ownership experience. While the performance is plenty sufficient for most riders, it's not built for aggressive high-speed riding or long-distance touring. The Iron 883's charm lies in its simplicity and rawness, not in blistering acceleration or high top speeds. Ride and handling. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Iron 883 continues to be an easy bike to ride. With a seat height of just 25.7 inches, it's accessible to a wide range of riders, especially those who are on the shorter side. The low seat height, paired with the mid-mounted foot controls, puts you in a neutral position that's perfect for cruising through city traffic or riding on winding roads. The suspension setup has been slightly updated for 2025. The new cartridge-style front forks and dual rear shocks provide better overall ride comfort, particularly on rougher roads. While the bike is still relatively stiff compared to some more refined cruisers, the ride quality is solid for its class, offering just the right balance of firmness and absorbency. It's a setup that feels engaging but still smooth enough for city and highway cruising. The ABS now comes as standard, which is a welcome addition, especially in emergency braking situations. While the Iron 883 is not built for aggressive cornering, its nimble nature makes it perfect for navigating through traffic and light twisties. It's a bike that's made for relaxed rides and urban exploration, not track days. Technology and features. The 2025 Iron 883 keeps technology simple, in keeping with its minimalist ethos. The LCD display gives you the basic information you need to stay on track, speed, fuel level, and gear position, without overwhelming you with unnecessary data. There's no complex ride modes, traction control, or other advanced features, but that's part of the appeal. You do get keyless ignition for added convenience, and the bike comes with LED lighting all around, providing better visibility and a sharper look. The overall technology package is straightforward, but functional. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With its 3.3-gallon fuel tank, the 2025 Iron 883 offers decent range, typically delivering 45 to 50 mpg. This gives you a riding range of around 150 miles per tank, which is plenty for short to medium distance rides. While it doesn't have the large fuel tanks of some touring cruisers, it strikes a nice balance for city commutes and weekend adventures. For a cruiser, the Iron 883 is relatively practical. There's not a lot of built-in storage, but Harley offers optional saddlebags and a rear rack for those who want to carry a little more. The belt drive also means you'll spend less time maintaining the bike, which adds to its practicality. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 starts at $11,999, making it one of the more affordable options in Harley's lineup, especially for riders looking to get into the Harley family without spending a fortune. With the customization options available from Harley and aftermarket suppliers, the Iron 883 offers plenty of ways to make it your own. Availability may vary by region, so be sure to check with your local Harley-Davidson dealer for availability and test ride opportunities. Pros and cons. Pros. Iconic, minimalist design. Reliable and smooth 883 cubic centimeters Evolution V-twin engine. ABS and LED lighting standard. Comfortable ergonomics for shorter riders. Great customization potential. Cons. Limited top-end power for long-distance touring. Minimal storage capacity. No advanced ride modes or traction control. Still uses a 5-speed transmission instead of a 6-speed. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 continues to be a fantastic choice for riders who appreciate classic styling and a no-frills riding experience. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more modern cruisers, it offers a solid, engaging ride that's perfect for city cruising and weekend adventures. With its timeless design, reliable engine, and affordable price point, the Iron 883 remains one of the best ways to experience the Harley-Davidson legacy. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Iron 883. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews from Bike Lane Reviews. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.